Darlings, today I'm going to show you how to get the fresh, natural, glamorous look that I created for the Victoria's Secret show. This look is an angelic filter for the face that enhances what nature naturally blessed you with. With this look, you will cast a spell on the world. First, I'm going to show you how to create the complexion of an angel. I'm going to start by applying my iconic miracle-working magic cream. It transforms tired, lackluster skin, and it has won countless awards. Next, I'm going to gently tap my Magic Eye Rescue all around the eye area. I am now applying my Magic Foundation. I'm going to lightly apply shade 7, starting from the centre of the face and blending outwards. It has a mushroom extract to help tighten pores, supercharge vitamin C to brighten the skin. Darlings, to magic away any imperfections, I'm using my new Magic Away concealer. Everyone at the show was obsessed with it. It magics away blemishes, redness, pigmentation, and fine lines. This is the magic wand of makeup. To conceal dark circles, I'm using shade 5 to brighten the skin and counteract any blue and red undertones. The Precision Sponge Applicator hugs the under-eye contour for seamless application. Using my powder and sculpt brush, I'm going to lightly dust the T-zone with my award-winning Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. To create supermodel brows, I'm using my 3-in-1 Brow Lift. Now fill in the gaps with my sword-shaped brow pencil. Brush up the brows to reveal their shape. To finish, I'm using the Victoria's Secret Brow Will Never Eye Gel in Clear. To create the ultimate angel flutter, I'm using my life-changing lash curlers. They are like Victoria's Secret push-up bra for the lashes. To create the biggest, brightest, most sparkling eyes of an angel, I'm using my Exaggerize Eye Palette. I'm going to apply the enlarged shade to the eyelids, focusing on the crease and the outer V of the eyes for a dreamy, seductive shape. Using my smudger brush, I'm going to dip it into the defined shade, an eye-enhancing reddish brown, and I'm going to run it along the lash line. Darlings, now I'm going to show you a magic trick to give you angel eyes. It's this gorgeous Eyes to Mesmerize cream eyeshadow in rose gold. To give this dreamy eye look a soft, ethereal glow on the runway, I'm applying my emollient-rich pop shade with my finger to the centre of the eyelids. Complete your dreamy angel eyes by applying Victoria's Secret Major Lashes Mascara to the lashes. For the ultimate easy contour, I'm going to take my best-selling, award-winning Film Star Bronze and Glow palette and sculpt in supermodel cheekbones. Dipping my powder and sculpt brush into the sculpt shade, I'm following the hollows of the cheekbones. It's so easy. Next, I'm going to use my Hollywood Beauty Light wand, which gives you an instant dreamy glow. It's like walking around with a diva light on your face. I'm applying it to the tops of the cheekbones, down the nose, into the cupid's bow and chin, and into the inner corners of the eyes for instant illumination and freshness. My award-winning Rose Gold Beauty Light wand contains treated pearls light reflectors to boost and brighten the skin. To create the dreamiest supermodel lip, I'm going to outline the lips with my Genius Lip Cheat Lip Liner in Hot Gossip. I then applied the Victoria's Secret Showstopper Liquid Lip for a pretty pink pout. To finish the look, I'm going to apply my Cheek to Chic blusher in Ecstasy. And finally, my famous supermodel body that I cannot live without. So there you have it, a gorgeous glowing Victoria's Secret look so you too can cast a spell on the world.